Good morning, good people. Jason here on the beautiful I-5 South. A little bit of an overcast day. That's rare. Kind of nice. Anyways, topic today is going to be luxury vinyl. Everybody loves it, right? You hear about it. Your friends got it. But let me tell you something. There's so many different kinds of luxury vinyl. And what you're going to do is you're going to call some foreign company. They're going to send out somebody who is actually not knowledgeable in the products, and they're going to bring some samples. It's going to be about color and this style, this is great, this and that, but there's no discussion of the products, what they're made of. Does it fit my house? As far as, can we install this particular vinyl in my house? Are your installers qualified? Are they craftsmen? Do they know how to work with this? And here's the thing, there's many different luxury vinyls. It's not just luxury vinyl. You have SPC, you have WPC, you have VCC, and then you even have a VPC. What are all these things? Wow, you didn't know, right? I'm not going to tell you just yet. But, so these different vinyls are made differently, and each one is unique. Some are flexible, some are rigid, some have to be glued down, some need a certain expansion gap, some don't need any expansion gap. And can I install my vinyl over my existing floor? Great question. What's your existing floor? What's your existing floor over? Are you wanting to put your engineered vinyl over existing hardwood floors downstairs that are over concrete? You better not. And if you get somebody that comes out and says that you can do that, they're just not qualified and they just don't know. So, this market is getting big and popular, and there's lots of products out there, but there's not enough information. So you need to ask the right questions. And again, just remember that not all luxury vinyl is made the same, and it's very important that you get the proper product for your house. So if you're looking for a consultation with that, you can definitely set one up with me. I am actually not only a licensed flooring contractor, but I'm certified in luxury vinyl installations and inspections. So set up a consultation if you need an inspection, or if you need a consultation to discuss the proper product for your home and you're thinking about having it installed. Okay? Have a great day.